Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience using Extension.js. This video explores how to build a visually impressive mobile application using Extension.js UI components based on my experience working with the framework. We'll be referencing an informative blog post from Sencha, found at https://www.sencha.com/blog/how-to-create-a-stunning-mobile-app-using-extension-js-ui-components/. The link is in the description, so check it out. Extension.js provides a comprehensive suite of pre-built, customizable UI components specifically designed for mobile development. These ready-made elements significantly accelerate the development process, allowing you to quickly construct a polished and functional mobile interface. From buttons and lists to sophisticated data grids and charts, Extension.js offers a diverse toolbox to bring your mobile app vision to life. One of the key advantages of leveraging Extension.js components is their inherent responsiveness. They adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and orientations, ensuring a consistent user experience across a variety of devices. This responsive design capability eliminates the need for extensive custom coding to handle different screen dimensions, saving you valuable development time and effort. Furthermore, the components are built with touch interactions in mind, optimizing the user experience on touch-enabled devices. Styling your mobile app is made effortless with Extension.js's robust theming capabilities. You can easily customize the look and feel of your app by modifying existing themes or creating your own from scratch. This flexibility allows you to tailor the app's appearance to precisely match your brand identity or design preferences. Achieving a cohesive and visually appealing UI is significantly simplified through this theming system. The blog post we're referencing details how to create visually stunning applications with Extension.js, showcasing how to leverage the framework's powerful tools and features. It offers practical guidance and examples, allowing you to quickly grasp the core concepts and apply them to your own projects. Whether you're building a simple utility app or a complex data-driven application, Extension.js provides the building blocks for a professional and engaging mobile experience. Be sure to check out the blog post link below for a deeper dive into creating stunning mobile apps with Extension.js.